Hey guys, what's up? It's Gordon21. I decided to do a follow-up tutorial on instructions. Well, what I mean by instructions is this. It's called if or else statements. I'll do while and, the while loop and all that stuff later on. That's part of instructions. But for now, I'm going to show you what I typed in here. Pretty much, it's just checking. How can I explain it? It's pretty much checking for a certain condition. So basically, all I did is typed in it. It's for like if you're checking a certain statement for someone to play a game. Okay, so it's gonna say age, which is a variable, equals float, which is something with a decimal or something with a decimal. It's gonna look for user input, and it's gonna print you enter your age. Same thing with this. An integer is another number. So, and it's going to say if age is greater than or equal to 8, and then it's going to look for that condition. If grade is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, then it's going to say print you can play this game if those two conditions are met. If not, it's going to say else you cannot play this game. So to show you this works, I'm going to show you the example. It's going to say enter your age, and I'm going to say, my age is 18. Okay, enter your grade. Put 12. Whoops, put 12th grade. So you can play this game. Okay, if not, let's rerun it. And your age will put 2 for some reason. Put 3. And then it says you cannot play this game. Okay. Make sure when you do this, make sure this else statement is put back here for a reason, because if not, it will not run this print statement down here. Why? I do not know. These double brackets are just for, showing that it's got another statement coming down here. It's the only way I can explain that one. Anyway, that's what the if and else statements are. But instead of putting this to where it indents like that each time, and it's a shorter way, you can just put what's called the and statement. So I'll explain what the indent means. It's technically what they call a nested loop, or a nested loop inside a loop, or something like that. I'll explain that later on when we do that. But for now, I'll just put and, if, and then it should run. Or not. Oh, that's right. I didn't have to put the. Okay, sorry about that. I forgot to take the if out. Now it should run. Nope. Okay, let me see why this isn't running, guys. Oh, that's why. Gotta take out that thing, the colons. There it goes. Sorry about that. Yeah, the colon is just showing that it breaks the indent down there, so it knows where to put the instructions. And so I'm gonna enter my age, just make sure this works. Let's go, say 10. Make sure this works. Enter grade 12, and then it says you can play this game. The only reason you put and in there is just a shorter way of doing it and makes your code a lot less confusing. I think that should be it for this. If not, let me look. Let me look. Let me think if there's anything else I can add. Yeah, that's about it actually, guys. I know it's another short tutorial, but that's all really the way I can explain how if and else statements are. That's how you give the computer instructions, really. Gives it another. It basically gives it another way to look at something. Because before you were just typing in a certain amount. You were just typing in one set of instructions. The if and else statement plus your input, it's going to give it a different set of instructions to do besides that one. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is Gordon21, and I'm signing out.